Absolutely. Let's dive into the world of thermometers and thermal expansion. A thermometer is a device used to measure temperature. Here are some common types. 1. Clinical thermometer, used to measure human body temperature. Its range is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Often uses mercury or alcohol as the liquid that expands or contracts with temperature changes. Modern versions are digital and provide quick readings. 2. Maximum minimum thermometer. Records the highest and lowest temperatures over a period. Uses two liquids, alcohol and mercury. Alcohol expands with temperature increase, pushing a metal index up. Mercury contracts with temperature decrease, pulling a metal index down. The positions of the indices indicate the maximum and minimum temperatures. An electronic thermometer uses a temperature sensor called a thermistor, which changes its resistance with temperature. This resistance is then converted into a temperature reading displayed on a digital screen. It's quite efficient, offering quick and precise readings. There are several other types of thermometers worth mentioning. First, the laboratory thermometer, which is used in labs for various experiments and has a wider temperature range than clinical thermometers. Then, there's the thermocouple thermometer, which uses two different metals joined together to generate a voltage that varies with temperature. Lastly, the infrared thermometer measures temperature by detecting infrared radiation emitted by an object. Thermal expansion is the tendency of matter to expand when heated and contract when cooled. This happens because the increased kinetic energy of atoms and molecules at higher temperatures causes them to vibrate and move farther apart. Solids too expand when heated. This expansion can be observed in various ways. For instance, a bimetallic strip made of two different metals bonded together bends when heated because one metal expands more than the other. This principle is used in thermostats. Another example is railroad tracks, where gaps are left between rails to allow for expansion in hot weather, preventing buckling. Bridges also have expansion joints to accommodate changes in length due to temperature fluctuations. It's important to remember that different materials expand at different rates. The amount of expansion depends on the temperature change and the material's coefficient of thermal expansion. If you'd like to explore any of these topics further or have other questions, let